Hello, have a good day. So my name is Ajit Kumar and I am a doctor from Pakistan. I am practicing gastroenterologist past 4 years in my home country. So here I am invited to speak about my journey to South Korea last year, 2024, to attend Endo 2024 as well as the IEA program, International Young Endoscopist Award program. As you all know that Endo 2024 was organized by IDEN, International Digestive Endoscopic Network, and Korean Society of Gastroenterology and Endoscopy. I was excited to have such conferences where I can learn and upgrade my skills in endoscopy field. So in 2019, I visited Konkuk University for a training purpose that was lasting for 2 weeks, and then I met Professor Hoon Chan, and he was so helpful and let me know about this IEA program. My purpose of coming to South Korea and to IEA program was to learn skills which are not prevailing in Pakistan. Particularly the country like Pakistan, where advanced endoscopic skills are very scarce and not available in most of the centers. So I was intended to learn skills in EMR, ESD, and endoscopic ultrasound. I was selected in Aju University Hospital, where I met with Professor Sun Gyu Lim and Professor Chung Gyu No. They were very excellent people. They guided me across my stay in and training in Aju University Hospital. So I arrived on 4th June 2024 and stayed there till 3rd July, till the end of my training. It was very wonderfully made and well-equipped facility, and I haven't seen it before. So there were approximately 10 endoscopy units which were functional at the same time in Aju University Hospital. And I was supposed to visit and observe across all the endoscopy units while my training. Professor Sun Gyu Lim has been very kind to me, explaining each and everything in very details. Very kind to tell me about the skills set which is required to perform these procedures, the equipment that are required to perform such kind of procedure. So what I basically learned is the technique of EMR and ESD, how to use an endoscopic ultrasound, and particularly the mini probe examination. I can briefly describe my experiences about Endo 2024. It was a wonderful experience altogether. I met many new people who are the experts and masters in the field. I'm very lucky to meet Professor Yu Ting Q, who is a professor in charge in National Taiwan University Hospital. I met with him while my hands-on station in Endo 2024. He was so kind that he offered me and invited me to attend and spend some time learning endoscopic ultrasound. And here I am sitting in Taiwan currently and having this 4 months long clinical training in advanced endoscopy. I think this haven't been possible without attending Endo 2024 and this IEA program. I am very thankful to the president of Endo 2024 then, Professor Hisao Tajri and Professor Hoon Jae Chan. Professor Chen has been so kind to meet with me, and we had a photo together. After attending this IEA program and attending Aju University Hospital, I was very confident to perform EMR in my home country. For those who are attending IEA 2025 program, I must congratulate them, and I am very hopeful that they will learn a new advanced level skill in advanced endoscopy. Furthermore, I advise them to ask questions as many as you can. Just don't hesitate or just don't sit back while having your training. Thank you so much. Thank you for the attention.